In this lesson, we're going to set up users so that we can use our database in Entities Framework and in plain SQL. I did set up a test user, and right now it goes through Entity and it goes to the name database, and I think I get the first one, and then I go find a select and I get the data. So now we're going to have to set up a user that will work. So let's go up to our studio. And sometimes, you know, you don't have things clicked just right and you have to redo it. So that might be the case with this too. But hopefully not. Hopefully we'll get it in for one try. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my server. And if you already know how to set up users, then you don't have to do this. But let's do a right click, and I'm going to check the properties. And I'm going to go to the security tab, and you have to make sure that you have this SQL Server and Windows authentication mode clicked. Okay? And if you clicked that, if it was not clicked and you clicked it, then you need to restart your server. And how you do that is just click this restart, and it's not going to hurt anything, so I'm just going to go ahead and restart mine too. And I get the Windows message, and then I get another message that says, are you sure you want to restart? And I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to give it a minute to restart. I want to make sure it's really restarted. So I'll go ahead and, just to make sure it's really restarted, I'm going to go ahead, I disconnected that. I'm going to connect it back. And with my login, we're going to start creating users. So let's go to the security tab and then the logins tab. And you can see I've already got a test user set up. And so let's do a right click and new login. And so we're going to call this course1_user. And I'm going to give it SQL Server Authentication, and I'm going to give it a password of course1. And then I am not going to make the password expire. Okay, so I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to point back up and change his properties. For his server roles, he's public. For his mapping, I'm going to give him to the course1 database. For his securitables, I'm going to give him connect to SQL. I'm going to make sure it's really clicked, and I'm going to put select all user securables and say view. Well, I'll let him view. He can view definition state, create database. No, he doesn't need to create databases. Alter connection. No. Any login, alter settings, alter trace. Okay, I think that's all we need. If he needs something else, we'll give it to him later. So let's do that. And just to make sure that he's worked, let's disconnect and let's connect with just him. So let's connect with server authentication, and let's try course1 user and course1. What's the password? And we're going to see about connecting. So he's connected. So we know that works. So let's go back to our program, and I'm going to change this from test user to course1 user. And his password was course1. And I'm going to save that. And I'm going to click go. And let's see if this works for us. Okay, that worked. In the next lesson, we're going to start our hello world. Okay, bye.